Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into my channel once again. This is another nail review. I love press-on nails and these Kiss Beauty nails masterpiece. I've been dying to do these for the longest time and finally got my hand on some and finally doing a video. Aren't these pretty? So this is how they look with my beauty light. Gotta have a cup of some tea, sip, sip, sip. Struggled with the box a little bit, but these things are just absolutely gorgeous. They actually last me a little over 2 weeks. I want to say like close into like 3 weeks, and that's only because I had to like force them off. So here we go. I'm just basically going to show you how they look, the design, the quality was amazing. Everybody thought that I spent like 60 plus, I don't know, dollars on getting my nails done. I don't even bother getting my nails done since, you know, investing in these press-on nails by Kiss. But basically right here, what do we have? Another box, you know, because I'm addicted, absolutely addicted to these press-on nails, right? Of course. So I'm gonna try those next, probably gonna wear those on my vacation. But basically I'm gonna start off by just clipping my nails and just because my nails grow pretty long and pretty fast and I don't want them showing through underneath or anything like that, so I'm just going to clip my nails, and after I finish clipping I'm going to move on to the next step, which is buffing, like filing it down and then pushing back the cuticle. So you know, this is the boring part. Yawn, 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 clip, clip, clip. That's done. Nice and even, nice and short all around. Box tells you how to prep, but I prep differently, you know, but I clip my nails. Then basically what I'm going to do is go ahead and speed up the process and measure each nail. On the back of the nails has a number, but this design, I find that it was pretty hard to read the numbers on the back of it, so I just went ahead and just finger by finger just measure to make sure that in advance I found the matching nails, just to speed up the process, so when I was ready to glue I would just have the glue and have the nails already set. So this kind of took me a while because I couldn't find the nails, like the matching nails, and some like different ones matched with the other. It took me a few minutes, and then after I did that, I just basically organized the nails on the table in the design that I wanted to put them on my hand. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but basically I took off 10 nails and just put them on the table in the fashion that I wanted. And here it is. As you can see, what I'm doing is I'm trying to see how each designed nail would look on each finger. So when it came time to glue, I would just be ready to glue. All done. Now this is the filing part. So I just basically filed down my nail bed, made sure that there was nothing left on there. It was nice and clean. And you could also, you don't have to really do this. I think I've applied nails before and I didn't do this, and maybe that's the reason why it didn't last me as long, but these lasted me like a good almost 3 weeks. And like I said, only because I had to like force them to come off. I found it really hard. I absolutely love these nails, but I'm going to be honest, I found it really hard to adult, if you get what I'm trying to say, adult with these nails this long. I have a regular 9 to 5, and it's like extremely hard to do some things with these nails and your nails getting stuck inside the keyboards and stuff like that. So I had to let them go after a little over 2 weeks because I needed to still work, and this was, I mean, I adjusted and I got used to it. But anyway, so nails are nice and clean. This glue is super, super, super strong. You want to know how strong this nail glue is? So the box doesn't tell you to put the glue on your nail bed, but I put it on my nail bed and on the nail just for extra security, because I don't want to be out and about and having a good old time, having happy hour with coworkers or anything like that, and then woo, there goes the nail. So I basically secured it by putting glue on the nail as well as on my nail bed. And I'll tell you how strong this nail glue is. This nail glue is extremely strong because I put this nail glue on my mother's glasses and it didn't come off. And here it is in natural lighting. And there it is with my beauty light. So you can see the sparkle, the shine, the quality is just amazing. Yeah, this is some strong glue. You ladies would definitely make it through about a good week or two of work at least with these nails, and trust me, everybody will be amazed and they will not be able to tell that this was press-on nails. Kiss has really stepped their game up, and I really look forward to see what they plan to come out with in the future, because this whole collection, the masterpiece collection, is just to die for. It's beautiful. The quality of these nails is just, I mean, I'm lost for words, but yeah. So yeah, the left hand, I'm a righty. The left hand is super easy to put on, and of course struggling because of the length with putting it on my right hand was a bit challenging, but you know, it shouldn't take you any more than maybe, with the whole process, maybe 15 minutes. I'm gonna say if it's your first time, maybe a little bit longer, maybe 25, 30 minutes. I definitely say do not rush through it. I'm kind of used to doing these, and I can basically get them done within 15 minutes, maybe sometimes 10. But this length kind of made it a little tricky, so I had to slow down when it came to doing my right hand. But it shouldn't take you that long to do these nails. They're pretty easy, but like I said, don't rush through it, because you definitely don't want to mess with this glue. This glue is really strong, and you know, take your time on these. Make sure they're the exact way that you want them to be. The last lucky nail, the pinky finger, and that glue is strong, y'all. So right about now, all I'm going to do is just file it down, make it nice and smooth and not so rough, and it's pretty much done. All the hard work is done, and you know, just get to enjoy the beautiful nails. Look at these, they're gorgeous. Definitely check out Kiss Masterpiece Nails. They are beautiful and affordable. Thanks for tuning in. Check out my other videos.